In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Instagram user location. We will use only the tools Instagram provides and information the person has chosen to share. Remember to respect privacy and local laws. These tips are for legitimate reasons, like verifying a business or planning a meetup. Start on the person's profile. In the top right corner, tap the three dots to open the menu, then choose About This Account. On many accounts, especially creator or business profiles, you will see country listed. That's the country where the account is based. Not necessarily where the person is at this moment. Think of it as account origin information that Instagram derives from signals, like the sign-up location and activity. If you don't see this option, make sure your app is updated. Some private or very new accounts may not display it. Next, scan the bio. Lots of people list a city, a business address, or a link to a website with contact details. You might see a location pin emoji, a neighborhood name, or a link in bio that leads to a page with store hours and an address. Also check story highlights on the profile. Users often save travel or event stories there. And those stories can include location stickers that reveal the city or venue. When you are browsing posts, look just above the photo or video for a location tag. If one is present, tap it. That opens the place page so you can see exactly which location was tagged, along with a map and other posts from that spot. Keep in mind, a location tag shows where the user says the post was taken. It doesn't prove they were physically there at that moment. And some people add locations after the fact for aesthetics. If you are already chatting with someone in direct messages and they want to share where they are, they can send a location card. When it arrives, tap View to open their real-time location. This only works with their explicit consent and requires their device location services to be enabled. So it's not something you can trigger on your own. If you don't see any location info on posts or stories, that usually means the user chose not to add it or removed it later. Stories also disappear after 24 hours unless saved to highlights. So timing matters. Checking a few recent posts can help you spot recurring places the user chooses to share. Use these features together to build a clearer picture. Account country, bio details, story highlights, and post location tags. Always prioritize safety and consent. Thanks for watching.